Hello everyone, welcome. Introducing Flow AI, the 3D workflow automation with AI models. So there are four problems in building 3D models and scenes. The first one is complexity. Second one is the resource limits because of budget and hardware. Thirdly, it's very time consuming. And fourthly, it puts a lot of hardware strain, especially if you have complex 3D workflows. Now our solution for the MVP is to build stunning 3D models from text in few seconds, and it has few key advantages. First, it provides faster iterations, it's a lot more cost effective, and it provides efficient collaboration. In terms of the market, this is a huge opportunity with a TAM of 2.5 billion, comprising of professionals and enterprises across various industries such as gaming, architecture, film, you name it. And then we have the SAM of zero point 0.5 billion, which is targeting designers and small teams and studios. And finally, we have the serviceable obtainable market of 150 million, which is comprising of freelance designers, independent game developers, and emerging tech startups. In terms of our team, we have an awesome kick-ass team comprising of current as well as existing four founders, including Andrea, who is our team lead, myself, Kshitij. We have Mohammed, who is a tech founder. We have Tayyab as an engineer, Aksa as an engineer as well as Avi, who is also a founder. In terms of our product roadmap, we have firstly AI driven textures. Secondly, we want to develop a mobile app for the designers on the go. Thirdly, we want to provide AR and VR integration. And fourthly, we'll have real time annotations as well. So in terms of revenue streams, we have three key ones, with subscription with being the key one, comprising of 40%. Then we have enterprise solutions for 35%. And then last but not least, asset marketplace, where we charge commission for all the assets sold on the platform. Now let me quickly show you the working demo. Let's say we want to generate car in a jungle, and for this scene it will generate all the assets that are needed. So we'll very quickly see that. So firstly, it has the jungle one, it has tree as well as car, and in this way it makes it a lot more easier to develop the whole scene by providing all the assets that are needed, and we can very easily download these assets as well. Now, let me very quickly walk you through how it all works. First, we have the website, which is made through Replit. And then we have the generation text, which the user prompts. And once the user has prompted, then it goes to the backend through the main agent, which deciphers the environment and breaks it down into the objects that need to be developed. Thereafter, it goes to the Shap-e model, which we have deployed on via Hugging Face through Replicate, and it goes through the review page and then finally generates the whole scene along with the models that we saw, and then the user has the option to export or paying for the subscription. Oh, I have one more thing to talk about, just to provide you a sneak preview of some of the features that we are currently building on. So for example, we can also generate the audio models for each of these assets. This is for the jungle. Now here we have the car. Isn't that cool? Yet let me show you how to place the models that we have just generated. So in this case, it's so easy to place them through this web UI, and then we can also copy and have duplicates of these models, and then we will show you quickly the iteration mechanism wherein I have just changed them, the position of them. I can also move them along and finally place them in the way in which I would want them in the scene. How awesome is that?